Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, today we are going back on the Jeep. I'm just gonna finish up everything I have to do on there, as in the heater core cover. And the reason being it's taking so long because the junkyard was closed, and you know, the whole thing that's going on, and they wouldn't let nobody in. And today I went, the other junkyard I normally go to, they was actually closed, like gone, like everything was gone, like completely shut down. So I went to the other one I normally go to. They was open, but surprisingly you can't get in without having a mask on. And I'm like, well, you're outside, I'm pretty sure you're not next to anybody, but it's okay. I went in there and got all the parts I need. So the parts I needed was the heater core cover to cover the lines up, so if somebody reach back there and if it's hot, they won't touch it. And that was my main concern. And the a few bolts here and there. I did forget one. I just realized it right now. When I went and looked at the Jeep, it was one more bolt, because they had took all that stuff apart prior to me purchasing the Jeep. So that's why I had to go buy all these extra parts and screws and nuts and bolts. So I'm just missing one bolt, but pretty much everything is done on it. I will be welding the frame, the dash frame that covered that up, because they had cut it to try to get the heater core out, but they didn't do it. They cut it, but they didn't pull it all out. So let me show you that really quick. So let's go over here. Alrighty. Okay. So let's get down in here, see if I can get you some light here. So basically that's all cut there. I'm gonna weld that back together right now and put the cover on there. And I got all my welding stuff, my old Cracker Jack box welded there, but it does the job. So let's get started. So this is the heater core cover, and it goes in like that. Well, yeah, like that actually. That's how it goes in the car. Alrighty, I'm gonna show you what it looks like now. That's the heater core cover, all on it there. So even though it's another cover that goes over that, still I want it there. And you can see where it's broken and well, it's cut, and I'm gonna weld that back together right now. All right, that's it for that. Boy, it's hot. Okay, so got that all welded up. Now it's just putting it back together. Just get it all put back together. Oh, we'll get some water first. Yep, that's it. All right, that's it now. She's done. I have nothing else to do on it. I thought about replacing our windshield because it's got like a little crack over there, like on that side. But I don't know. I probably won't. Depending on who buys it, if somebody I know that will buy it, then I would suggest replacing the windshield. But everything else is good to go as far as the drivetrain and everything. I thought at one point I heard a ball joint, but I wasn't. I looked under there. They looked to be okay, but you never know. So that's it for the Jeep. Well, guys, thank you so much. I'm gonna have to pick back up on the CTS, and maybe even start another project. I don't want to because I want to get the CTS done. But this is how I make my little extra money per year. But other than that, guys, thank you so much. Please comment, like, and subscribe. That's it. Thank you. Oh, I forgot. Sponsors. We don't have any none still. All right. Later, guys. Peace.